Welcome to another episode of Ryan's Thoughts, a series where I share my insights on the maintenance and reliability world. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we'll be shedding light on an essential yet often overlooked aspect of our industry, safety. We'll explore the current safety landscape, probe into the statistics, and discuss how we can enhance safety measures, particularly in inherently unsafe work conditions. By the end of our discussion, you'll walk away with a deeper understanding of safety's role in our industry and practical strategies to prioritize it in your operations. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone in our field, safety. Every day, the hardworking men and women in maintenance and reliability risk their lives to maintain the infrastructure we all rely on. In 2018 alone, over 900,000 workplace injuries were reported, with over 5,000 fatalities. And that's not even taking into account the unreported injuries, which the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, estimates to be over half. With the added challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, the importance of safety in our industry has become even more pronounced. While everyone agrees that safety is crucial, there's still a lot of room for improvement, especially in the blue-collar sectors. Safety needs to be a critical function of reliability, not just an afterthought. Over the past decade, we've seen some great strides in safety initiatives. Safety teams, guidelines, preventative measures, and preparedness have all been ramped up. But what about safety when the unexpected happens? The majority of maintenance work is inherently unsafe, often carried out when a piece of equipment breaks down, or a machine operates outside of its normal standards. So the question we need to answer is, how do we keep our people safe within inherently unsafe spaces? To find the answer, we need to reflect back on our progress. Safety is a priority across all industries, with entire departments and countless OSHA guidelines dedicated to it. Between 1994 and 2009, the rate of occupational injuries in manufacturing facilities decreased by 2/3. However, over the last decade, we've seen no major improvements in this rate. Blue-collar professionals are still the most at risk, with the highest share of injuries and fatalities in the workplace. It's clear that we need to find a way to break this plateau and implement safety measures for our maintenance and reliability workers who operate under inherently unsafe conditions. So how can we make a breakthrough in safety? Here are 3 changes that need to happen. First, we need to balance reliability with safety. While reliability and safety are separate factors, there are many situations where reliability can promote safety. If we reduce the time and events in which professionals have to work under unsafe conditions, we can indirectly influence safety. However, it's important to remember that safety is complex and requires a holistic approach. Second, we should leverage technology to reimagine the way we conduct safety training. With new technologies like VR simulated training and digital twins, we can significantly improve the retention rate of safety training and predict hazardous and dangerous environments in the workspace. Finally, businesses need to prioritize safety over revenue. People are the lifeline for business, not money. And the good news is, the safety of your people and revenue are not mutually exclusive choices. They are actually tied to one another. A prime example of this is Alcoa, a company that increased its market capitalization by 500% after making safety its top priority. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we've explored the crucial role of safety in the maintenance and reliability industry, discussed the need for balancing reliability with safety, the potential of technology and safety training, and the importance of prioritizing safety over revenue. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our work at UpKeep, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.